Hello, my name is Bailey, and I'm the AI spokeswoman for hōmhub. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a very special opportunity, becoming a listing agent pro. At hōmhub, we've reimagined what a partnership with a platform in real estate should look like. Our listing agent pro model is exclusive, powerful, and built for serious professionals. Here's how it works. There is only one listing agent pro per zip code. That means you own that territory and you get exclusive listing opportunities right in your dedicated market. Think of this as a partnership, similar to that of an agent and a builder. As a listing agent pro, you'll take on the key responsibilities: securing the listing agreement, placing the lockbox and sign, and uploading the property into the MLS as a limited service listing. From there, our in-house hōmhub agent takes care of the rest. Now you may be wondering, what's in it for me? The truth is, listing agent pros don't get paid a commission for listing hōmhub properties. But the benefits are extraordinary. You generate buyer leads directly from our listings. You have the opportunity to represent sellers who are buying again, and statistically speaking, 7 out of 10 do. You can host open houses to attract more buyers. And you get introduced into new neighborhoods, building your presence and farming opportunities with every listing. Unlike our other Partner Pro programs, listing agent pros pay an annual fee. And because this role represents the best of the best, there's one important qualification. To join, you must be a Homes.com Pro subscriber. Why? Because we know these agents are the ultimate professionals. And with that subscription, you bring along a Matterport 360 tour, which is required to list as a hōmhub listing agent pro. This is your chance to secure your zip code, stand out as the exclusive partner, and position yourself at the center of the industry's evolution. So are you ready to elevate your business, expand your reach, and become a hōmhub listing agent pro? Schedule your consultation today and step into the future of real estate with us. I promise you will be glad you did.
hōmhub!